everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 16 by 20 canvas in front of me, a little bit tilted. You're probably thinking, what is she doing? Well, I'm going to do a Thingamajig, which is my thrift store find, which is a vase with some cutouts in it. I'm going to be doing a straight pour onto that, but I'm going to have the canvas tilted. Now I have these 5 by 5 inch Artist Loft canvases. It's a 2-pack. That's what I have underneath here. I have 2 of them propping up my canvas. And we're going to give this a whirl. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be really appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back, love you guys. Thank you so much. Love reading all the comments. Keep them coming. Like, comment, share with your friends. Whatever you do, I just thank you in advance. Alrighty, let's do this. I also want to mention to you before I start painting, actually, a lady named Tammy Anderson's art. She's working towards getting 100,000 subscribers, and she's pretty close. She doesn't have that far to go. And her paintings are amazing. And her teaching skills even. I watched a couple of her videos, and it's like, I could really learn some stuff from this lady, and I don't know how I never stumbled across her channel before. So please look her up, and I will try and put a link at the end of this video as well, so you can just click on it and find her page. But again, it's Tammy Anderson Art, and she is awesome. I hope any of you that are subscribing to my channel, if you haven't seen her, go and subscribe. She's really got a goal for the 100,000, and she's not far away. I am a million miles away. I've got 171 subscribers, I think it is. She's got many thousands, but wants to reach the goal of 100,000. So thank you in advance, everyone, if you go and help Tammy Anderson reach her goal of 100,000. Alrighty, I am going to give this a quick little torch. Okay, I'm going to put my Thingamajig right here, almost to the top, right about there, middle-ish, and start pouring some paint. Now, I've got a link in my description for all the Amazon stuff that you'll see me use, like the torch, all of my little cups that I use for mixing my paint, my stir sticks, my Arteza paints that I love using. All of that is available in links below if you decide you want to do a little shopping. If you hit one of my links and do some shopping, I will get a small percentage on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. So if you want to support my channel a little bit, do a little shopping. You'll get your paints that you really love, and I'll get a tiny commission towards some of my stuff that I love. Alright, let's start doing this. I'm going to first start with my Liquitex Dioxidine Purple. That's going to be the first color going down. Get these colors rolling. Now this little doohickey I got at the thrift store, I love. I've done several paintings with it, and I just think it's awesome. Okay. Lots of purple. I know that seemed like a lot, but I want to get it started with something. Now I'm going to do some gold. Now this is my Arteza's gold. I should mention to you too, my Arteza acrylics, I mix 50% acrylic paint, 50% of the pearlescence mixing mediums done by Sargent. Got this off Amazon as well. The best medium I have used so far, I used to do glue and water all the time. Now I'm pretty much hooked on this stuff. So there's a little hint for you to go buy some pearlescent mixing medium. It says on the bottle 10:1 ratio, meaning 1 part acrylic, 10 parts the mixing medium. That seems really extreme to me. I do it 50-50, and I love how my paintings turn out. Okay, so gold's going down. Alrighty, now how about we do a little bit of silver in there too. Okay, my next color is going to be the berry wine. I wasn't going to do silver, but I just decided to do it last minute. Berry wine is one of my favorite colors. And I've done the berry wine with 50% the pearlescent mixing medium and 50% the folk art berry wine. That's what that color is right there. Okay, now let's do some silver. Okay, and then my Arteza Scarlet Red. Let's see how much paint is actually there. Let's give it a minute. Loving how the gold's coming down there. I think I'm going to add some copper too. This can be a shiny painting when it's done. Okay. I think we'll add a little bit of white. And maybe one more color, and I think I'll call it done. Which color were we going to do more of? I think I want to do some more of the berry wine. I really like that color. Yep, I'm going to. Okay, we'll let that flow for a sec. And I'm just going to help this paint along a little bit by pushing it off the edge. Okay. Now I'm going to pick this guy up and just move it right over to there. All right. Excellent. So now I'm going to just give it a little bit more of a tilt. Just going to stop right there. I'm going to pull my canvases out from underneath. Let that paint dry for a couple days before I pull the wrapping off of that. Okay. Move my torch. Now I'm going to turn it sideways here, just so I can work on it better. Hopefully I'm still in the good camera angle. There we go. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a tilt this way. I'm going to stop there and go this way some. Oh, I like that. Okay, I'm going to go this way. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a tilt this way. Love the colors in that. little bit more. Here, tilt this one. Sorry, I'm totally going to be out of the camera angle. Try and do it this way so it stays on one of the cameras. This is where you need the patience to be nice and slow going. So close. There we go. Put that down. And this corner's pretty good. This one's pretty good. How are we doing over here? I think I need a bit more of that reddish. There we go. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to pull these gloves right off because they're just covered in paint. Give it a torch. Big bubbles in there. Now there's no silicone or anything in this paint, and I see cells happening. So it must be the pearlescent mixing medium that I added is probably assisting in that cell action. Alright, that looks gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to grab some more gloves here. Just one glove because I got to open another pack. Okay, one will work. Not sure if I'm crazy about this one little white spot right there. Wonder if I can get any of that paint moving over that. I'm just going to tilt it a bit and see. Not sure why I have that white spot there. Not a lot of paint movement there. I wonder why. I think I'm just going to pull some paint through here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. It's not a canvas, it's actually white paint. So I'm just going to bring it down to here. There we go. Join it to something so it makes a little sense. Okay. There we go. Beautiful little abstract in some beautiful bright colors. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you come back and watch another video. My sweetie Greg usually puts up a video on either the left or the right or in the center of one of my favorite videos that you can click on and continue watching some of my wonderful art. And if not, please go check out Tammy Anderson's art. Subscribe to her channel and help her out. She deserves it. Alright everyone, thanks very much for watching. And remember, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.